In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a GeForce Now code. To get started, make sure you have your GeForce Now code ready and that you're using a stable internet connection. This process is usually quick, but having everything prepared in advance will make it much smoother. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your NVIDIA account. Be sure to use the account you want the membership or promotion applied to, because this is the account that will be linked to the redeemed code. Once you're signed in, go to the Redeem page. This is the section where NVIDIA allows you to activate promotional codes, memberships, or special offers connected to your account. When you arrive there, you'll see a field where you can enter your GeForce Now code. Type the code carefully, exactly as it appears. It's a good idea to double-check for any typing mistakes before moving on, especially if the code includes a mix of letters and numbers. After entering the code, click Redeem. At that point, NVIDIA will begin processing the code and checking that it's valid for your account. If everything looks correct, you'll be prompted to continue. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the redemption process. These prompts may vary slightly depending on the type of code you're redeeming, but the important thing is to read each screen carefully and confirm any details shown before proceeding. Once you've finished those steps, wait for the redemption to complete. In many cases, this only takes a few moments. Try not to refresh the page or close the browser while the system is still processing, because interrupting the process could cause confusion about whether the code was successfully applied. After the redemption is finished, open GeForce Now and sign in using the same NVIDIA account you used on the Redeem page. This is very important because your membership or promotion will only appear on the account where the code was activated. If you sign in with a different account, it may seem like the code didn't work when it actually redeemed correctly on another profile. Finally, verify that your membership or promotion is active. You can usually do this by checking your account status or subscription details inside GeForce Now. If the promotion appears there, then you're all set and ready to start using it. And that's how to redeem a GeForce Now code quickly and correctly.